Welcome learners. Today, we're starting our journey into grammar basics, and in this first lecture, we'll be learning about parts of speech. Introduction. Have you ever wondered how words in a sentence come together to create meaning? Today, we start our journey into the world of parts of speech with one of the most essential components, nouns. In this video, we'll explore what nouns are, their types, and how they function in sentences. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples, for instance, teacher, city, apple, and happiness, are all nouns. Types of nouns: common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns. Common nouns, a general name for any person, place, thing, or idea, not specific or unique. E.g., dog, city. Proper nouns, the specific name of a particular person, place, or thing and is always capitalized, e.g., Alice, London. Collective nouns, a group of people or things, e.g., team, flock. Abstract noun, an idea, quality, or state that cannot be seen or touched, e.g., freedom, love. How nouns function in sentences. Nouns often act as the subject. Example, the cat is sleeping. Nouns can also be the object. Example, she saw a movie. Common mistakes with nouns. Mistake no. 1. Confusing common and proper nouns. Note: remember to capitalize proper nouns. Mistake no. 2. Using plurals incorrectly. For example, child versus children. Practical usage and exercise. Let's create a sentence. The teacher gives homework. Here, teacher is a noun. Exercise. Identify the nouns in the following sentence. The children play in the park. Write your answers in the comments. Quiz segment. 1. What type of noun is Eiffel Tower? A. Common. B. Proper. C. Abstract. 2. Which word is a collective noun in this sentence? A herd of cows grazed in the field. Today, we learned that nouns are the names of people, places, things, or ideas, and we explored their types and functions in sentences. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more grammar lessons. Let me know in the comments what part of speech you want to learn about next. Thank you for joining me in this lesson on nouns. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.